Most people believe saving $100,000 means they're on the right path to retirement. But here's the hard truth. If that's all you've got when you stop working, you could be completely out of money in less than 5 years. Just imagine, retiring, expecting peace and freedom, only to be forced back into the workforce or relying solely on government checks. It doesn't have to be this way. What if that same $100,000 could grow into $3 million or even $4 million, providing a steady stream of monthly income, all without touching a single stock or worrying about the next market crash? Stay with me, because in this video, you'll discover 3 of the best index funds that can help make this transformation possible. Funds that have the potential to multiply a $100,000 investment into lifelong financial security. Welcome to Money Quest Broker, the channel where financial goals become real strategies. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building serious wealth, make sure you subscribe right now so you never miss insights like the ones in today's video. Let's start by addressing a simple but critical problem. If you retire with just $100,000 in savings and plan to spend around $2,000 a month, you'll be out of money in a little over 4 years. That's not a hypothetical, it's math. And that doesn't even account for inflation or emergency expenses. So what's the alternative? Instead of watching that money disappear, you could invest it just once. And with time, discipline, and the right strategy, it could grow into a multi-million-dollar portfolio, providing you with steady income month after month for life. How? The answer lies in index funds. Alright, so an index fund is kind of like a basket that holds shares from many different companies. Instead of betting your future on just a single business, you're actually spreading your investment across hundreds or even thousands. If one company struggles, others in the fund might thrive, helping balance out your returns. These funds really aren't flashy. They don't require you to study charts, watch the news every day, or try to time the market. They simply track an index like the S&P 500 or the total stock market. And honestly, this passive strategy often outperforms most actively managed funds that tend to charge higher fees. So, index funds have 3 major advantages. First, diversification. Your money is spread out, which lowers your risk. Second, low fees. Expense ratios are minimal, meaning more of your money stays invested. And third, consistency. Over time, the market grows, and with it, so does your investment. Now let's get into the top 3 index funds that could help you turn $100,000 into financial independence. Number 3, the Vanguard S&P Small Cap 600 Index Fund, ticker symbol VO. First up is a fund that focuses on the smallest public companies in the United States. These are companies you've probably never heard of, but they could be the future giants of tomorrow. The Vanguard S&P Small Cap 600 Index Fund invests in 600 small cap companies from a variety of sectors. While these companies might not be household names, they usually have much more room to grow compared to the established giants out there. Small cap stocks can be more volatile in the short term, but they've historically outperformed large cap stocks over long periods. This makes VO a great option for investors who are willing to be patient and ride out the early years for the potential of significant long-term gains. Here's why this fund stands out. Expense ratio is 0.07%. Dividend yield is 1.47%, dividend growth rate is 11.18%, and annual share price appreciation is 7.09%. Let's see what happens when you invest $100,000 in this fund and let it grow. After 1 year, you'd have $108,560. After 10 years, that grows to $233,700. And after 30 years, it's a whopping $1,686,742. The annual dividend income in year 30 would be $7,923, which is about $660 per month. Out of the total $1.68 million, $1.59 million comes from capital appreciation, and $527,500 comes from reinvested dividends. That's a powerful combination of growth and income, all from a one-time investment. Number 2, WisdomTree U.S. Value Fund, ticker WTV. The second fund takes a completely different approach by focusing on value investing, buying stocks that are currently trading for less than what they're worth. The WisdomTree U.S. Value Fund targets established, financially stable companies that have temporarily fallen out of favor with investors. These are firms with strong earnings, solid balance sheets, and consistent customer bases. Companies that may not skyrocket overnight but can offer steady, predictable growth. Think of it like this. While the small cap fund chases future potential, this value fund capitalizes on undervalued opportunities in today's market. And during downturns, value stocks tend to hold up better than high-growth tech or speculative companies. Key advantages of this fund include an expense ratio of 0.12%, a dividend yield of 1.49%, a dividend growth rate of 12.69%, and share price appreciation of 9.77% annually. Now let's run the numbers on a $100,000 investment. After 1 year, you'd have $112,600. After 10 years, that grows to $296,200. After 20 years, you're looking at $923,500. And after 30 years, that investment could reach $3,781,146. The annual dividend income in year 30 would be $93,649, which is about $7,800 a month. Of that $3.78 million, about $2.37 million comes from capital appreciation, and the rest, over $1.4 million, comes from dividend reinvestment. This fund is ideal for investors who value consistency and income growth over time. Number 1, Fidelity Total Market Index Fund, ticker symbol FSCAX. Finally, at number 1 we have a fund that takes a broad approach, investing in the entire U.S. stock market. The Fidelity Total Market Index Fund, or FSCAX, covers everything: large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies across every sector. This level of diversification gives you exposure to virtually every part of the U.S. economy. So, this fund is a favorite for investors who want to set it and forget it strategy. It combines the agility of small companies, the stability of large corporations, and the growth of mid-cap firms all in one package. Here are some key metrics. The expense ratio is 0.02%. The dividend yield is 1.97%. The dividend growth rate comes in at 12.13%, and the average annual price growth is 10.53%. So what does $100,000 invested in this fund look like over time? After 1 year, you'd have about $112,500. After 10 years, that grows to $329,700. Stick with it for 20 years and you're looking at $1,181,380. And after 30 years, it's a whopping $3,945,793. The annual dividend income in year 30, that's around $18,350, or roughly $1,530 a month. Out of that $3.94 million, about $3.13 million comes from stock price growth, while $811,000 comes from reinvested dividends. That right there is the power of compounding over the long haul. Let's zoom out for a second. All three of these funds offer unique strengths. You get small cap exposure for high growth potential, value investing for stability and consistent income, and total market coverage for full diversification and solid returns. Each one alone can significantly grow your wealth, but together they create a diversified, powerful portfolio that can survive market volatility, inflation, and, the test of time. The best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street expert. You don't need to check charts every day. You just need to start and then be patient. With just $100,000 consistently reinvested over decades, you could build a multi-million-dollar portfolio and generate monthly income that could replace your job altogether. If this video gave you a new perspective on your financial future, make sure to hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to learn more smart investing strategies. This is MoneyQuest Broker, helping you take control of your money, one step at a time.